Lori Ballen. I earn 6 figures in affiliate marketing, and I include advertising kind of grouped into that affiliate marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to find out if you're eligible to monetize your YouTube channel. Monetization is when you allow ads to run on your YouTube channel and Google pays you for it. So if you log into your Creator Studio, this is the classic version, and you go over here to channel on the left hand side, you're going to be able to see all of the things. You're going to see what you're eligible for and what you're not eligible for. Now right here under monetization, you'll probably see it's green and it says that you're eligible to apply. So go ahead and click there. When you do that, it's going to ask you to set up an AdSense account, and it's going to look like it's getting ready to approve you. But then at the bottom, if you don't have 4,000 hours of watch time where people are watching your videos in the last 12 months, and or you don't have 1,000 subscribers, it has to be both. You have to have and. Then it's going to actually show it as pending. So here's what happens. See here where it says not enabled. If I scroll down to monetization, it let me go ahead and fill out all the application. YouTube partner program accepted, AdSense requested, but then this is a brand new channel I just started. So then it tells me, okay, wait, you need 4,000 hours of watch time for review, and it tells me how many I have. Well, clearly I have a long way to go on this brand new channel. Subscribers, I have 1,000 needed for review, and I only have 5. So once I hit those, now we can actually apply for the monetization, but this allows me to keep track and know how close I am. So now I've got a goal, and I know I need to get lots of videos on here, lots of watch time, lots of subscribers to get to my 1,000, and then I can monetize this channel. So that's how to track where you are at with the ability to monetize your YouTube channel. I'm Lori Ballen. Please subscribe, click the bell to be notified when I make a new video. Thanks for joining me today.